Alright, so I fell for it, and I went and got uh, the Epsom salt and the sea salt and the baking soda out of the cupboard. I usually soak every few days. I feel like I need to soak my feet when I get off work, and it's usually a cup in my foot bath, and my feet do feel better, and um, so I decided to try it. And this is from Pinterest, and it is 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of sea salt, 2 cups of baking soda, and essential oils if you want to, but my Epsom salt already had some um, essential oils. So after a few minutes, I didn't notice anything, and I just sat. And then I did take a couple of pictures afterwards, and I'm going to share them with you. Um, I mean, your feet are still going to feel wonderful, but I feel like I was overkill. A large portion of my baking soda and my sea salt wasted. I really didn't need them. All I really needed was Epsom salt. I'll let you decide. 5 minutes, and the water's still clear. Okay, so the water never turned brown. It stayed the same. Of course, I know my feet are still going to feel a lot better with all this Epsom salt in there. And I feel like a lot of dead skin is falling off my feet. I can see it floating down there. I wouldn't mind doing this at least once a week. I don't know about detoxifying. I don't see it happening. Well, it's physically not changing the water any. Um, or it hasn't. I don't know. I made sure not to put any impurities. Of course, I was walking barefoot, and then I noticed there was stuff floating around in here. Other than that, you can see the water didn't even change. Anyway, moral of the story, research, research. And I think the Epsom salt by itself is sufficient for a nice foot soak. I'll be talking to you later.